Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reverse a video on TikTok. So if you want to reverse a video on TikTok, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application just tap on the plus icon which is in the middle of your screen. And after tapping on that plus icon, now what you have to do is you have to upload a video, or you can also take a video if you would like. So I would like to upload a video. So just tap on upload and you can choose any video that you like. For example, I'm choosing this video. So after selecting a video, now what you have to do is you have to tap on the effects option which is on the right side of your screen. So after tapping on effects, now you have to tap on timing which is on the bottom right corner. And after tapping on timing, here you can find the following options like reverse, repeat, slow-mo. You can choose any option you like. So we are trying to reverse our video, so I would like to choose reverse. And after tapping on reverse, here you can see my video is playing from reverse. So you can add a time lapse if you like, or you can reverse a specific part of that video if you would like. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.